Did you know that there are two different pure water filter systems from UNGER? On the one hand, there is the deionisation filter, DI filter for short, and on the other hand, there is the reverse osmosis filter, also called the RO filter. Both variants are reliable, yield professional quality results, and are still easy to use. Which pure water filter is the right one for your needs depends on two different factors: the water quality in your area and the frequency of use in which you will want to use pure water. Let's start with the DI filters, which UNGER calls HydroPower Ultra, and which demineralize tap water with the help of ion exchange resin. They are ideal if you work in areas with soft or medium-hard water or only use pure water occasionally. The resin needs to be changed regularly. Our DI filters are designed so that you can change the pre-portioned Ultra resin packs in no time at all. The advantage? The purchase costs for the HydroPower Ultra are fairly low. The running costs for the Ultra resin packs depend on your individual water consumption and the water hardness in your area. The HydroPower RO filter system from UNGER is the first choice for you if you work in areas with hard or very hard water or use pure water frequently. With the slightly more complicated technology of reverse osmosis, you have hardly any running costs. The high-quality filter components have a very long lifespan and rarely need to be replaced. This means that the investment in this extremely reliable system pays for itself quickly. With UNGER, you can choose the filter that is exactly right for your frequency of use and your regional water quality. It goes without saying that you will achieve excellent cleaning results with both pure water filters. We promise. With the pure water cleaning system from UNGER, you can easily do everything right. We promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today. Find out more here.